guys, welcome back to Naveen and Lexi's conversation. Today, we are going to open this Sylvanian family's gingerbread playhouse. I got this toy from Shangri-La Plaza Mall this afternoon because I was planning to go to Toys R Us. Let's open the box. Okay, now we've got the baby Santa Claus with a pretend sleigh, and we also need to get out the gingerbread playhouse. There, they're already out, and it has a star on top, then icing, then brick chimney, and then wafer door, a snowman, a Christmas wreath, and logs, and also a Christmas tree. It even has a fireplace inside. And this baby Santa said, "Oh, oh, oh, Merry Christmas!" And then she just pretends to give everyone presents, and this is the North Pole, and the fireplace is also made of wafer, and also the star is twinkling on top. And then when Santa is done giving the kids presents, he said, "Why don't we go up this chimney?" A child says, "Father Christmas, why don't we use the front door?" And then he said, "Bye bye, bye bye. Happy Christmas, ho ho ho." And then rides the sleigh. And then, well guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Gotta go now. Bye.